Imagine stepping into a canvas, where every brushstroke and color is a world of its own. Virtual reality art workshops are transforming how we create and experience art, allowing boundless creativity. Books like Virtual Reality, The Future of Art, delve deep into how VR reshapes our artistic landscapes. They highlight how artists use this technology to push the boundaries of traditional art forms. On the digital airwaves, podcasts such as the Virtual Reality Podcast explore the fusion of VR and art. These discussions open up new perspectives on how we perceive and interact with art. YouTube also serves as a vibrant platform, showcasing tutorials and demonstrations. Videos like Virtual Reality Art, Painting in 3D Space by Google Arts and Culture provide a visual feast, illustrating the process of painting in virtual environments. Beyond just visual stimulation, AI tools like Google Arts and Culture are revolutionizing VR art. They use machine learning to enhance artistic endeavors, making complex art forms more accessible and engaging. For those looking to dive deeper, online courses offer structured learning paths. Platforms like Udemy and Coursera offer courses that guide you through the nuances of creating art in virtual reality settings. The integration of VR into art isn't just about new tools, but also about accessibility. It opens the art world to those who might not have physical access to traditional art spaces, democratizing art creation and appreciation. As we look to the future, the intersection of VR and art promises even more immersive experiences. It's not just an evolution of how we create art, but a revolution in how we conceive and interact with it. Let's embrace this new canvas and see where it takes us.